In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams. This simple but powerful feature helps you streamline communication by sharing important updates, notes, or information with the right colleague or group, whether it's project details, reminders, or something too valuable to keep to yourself. Forwarding messages can keep your workflow smooth and efficient. To get started, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app so you have access to all features. If your organization uses Teams, your account is likely tied to your company email. So log in with those credentials. Once signed in, you'll land on your Teams dashboard where your chats, channels, and teams are neatly organized. Next, navigate to the chatter channel where the message you'd like to forward is located. Scroll through the conversation until you find it. If the message is older or buried in a long thread, use the search bar at the top of Teams to quickly locate it by typing in relevant keywords. Teams' search feature makes finding specific content quick and painless. Once you've found the message, hover your mouse over it. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a small menu represented by 3 horizontal dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. Among them, you'll see the option to forward. Select it to proceed. After clicking forward, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the recipient. Begin typing the name of the colleague, contact, or team channel where you want the message sent. As you type, Teams will automatically suggest matches from your contacts, making it easy to quickly find the right person or group. Select the correct recipient from the list. Once you're satisfied with your choice, simply click the forward button. The message will be instantly shared with the designated recipient or channel. This ensures that important information is sent quickly, accurately, and without needing to retype or copy and paste anything. And that's it. You've now learned how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward but very effective way to keep your teammates updated and your communication clear. By using this feature, you can make sure valuable messages don't get lost and that everyone stays informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can confidently use the forwarding feature to improve collaboration and keep your team on the same page.